Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Binance account verification and having the gift card code and PIN at hand. Open Wallet, select Gift Card, then Redeem. Enter the code exactly because codes are case sensitive. Once done, choose the target currency or voucher option. This dictates where value lands. Make sure two-factor authentication is active to prevent unauthorized redemptions. You're doing this now to turn a static card into spendable balance quickly, so follow prompts and watch for confirmation messages. Next, decide whether to convert the redeemed balance into crypto, add it to your spot or funding wallet, or sell via P2P. If selling, create an order with clear price and payment instructions, use trusted payment methods, and set realistic spread. Once you submit, watch order status, pending, matched, then completed. Make sure to respond quickly to buyer messages to avoid cancellations. If converting, select the asset pair and confirm. Conversions are instant, but check fees and rates before finalizing. To finish, verify your updated balance and review transaction history for the redeem and any sell or convert trades. If the gift card fails or amounts differ, immediately capture screenshots and contact Binance support with the card code and order ID. Include timestamps to speed resolution. Make sure you observe any hold or verification windows before external withdrawals and reconfirm recipient addresses to avoid losses. One tip: if a P2P buyer delays payment, cancel and relist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.